From clacking machines to creative chatbots, a century of AI flashes by. Here is how we got from a single question to tools used by everyone today.
In 1950, a bold question sets AI in motion. Can machines think? That single idea becomes the compass for everything that follows.
In 1956, a small summer project frames a new field. The goal is to describe intelligence precisely enough that machines can simulate parts of it.
1957, Frank Rosenblatt builds the Perceptron. Linear weights learn from examples and plant the seed for later neural networks. 1958, John McCarthy creates Lisp. Lists, recursion, and garbage collection power symbolic reasoning and classic planning programs. 1965, the DENDRAL project encodes chemist knowledge to infer molecular structures. Knowledge engineering becomes a template for expert systems. I type, "I'm not sure how to feel today." The terminal answers with a question of its own. A simple chatbot named ELIZA mirrors the user. People still feel heard. Early on, we learned that humans project mind onto machines. 1968. The A-star algorithm combines cost and heuristic to find efficient paths. It becomes a foundation for navigation and planning. (1972), Elaine Kolmorauer and Philippe Roussel create Prolog. Logic programming powers inference and research on early expert systems.
MYCIN recommends therapies for infections using probabilistic rules. It shows expert systems can rival specialists in narrow domains.
1979. The Stanford cart crawls through obstacles using vision. Painfully slow, but it stitches perception to control and proves the idea. From 1978 first satellites to 2000 civilian accuracy, GPS reshapes mapping and robotics. Precise position becomes fuel for smart navigation. Funding falls after unmet promises in the 70s and late 80s. AI winter forces a reset toward methods that deliver steady value. 1980, at Digital Equipment XCON, assembles computer orders from rules. It cuts errors and minutes translate into real money on the floor. Late 1980s, Bayesian networks formalize uncertainty. Probabilistic reasoning spreads across diagnosis, vision, and decision support. Hidden Markov models and n-gram language models drive large vocabulary speech systems. Dictation moves from demo to product through the 90s.
1998, Google Search launches with PageRank. Over the 2000s learning to rank, and signals turn search into a daily AI companion.
Pre-train, then fine-tune on labels. 2006 deep belief nets show multi-layer features can be learned. The idea sets the stage for modern deep learning with data and compute. 2009 ImageNet arrives with millions of labeled photos. It becomes the proving ground for progress in visual recognition.
Residual networks enable very deep models, while you only look once brings real-time object detection. Vision becomes both accurate and fast.
2015 Deep Q networks learn directly from pixels and rewards. End-to-end control jumps forward and paves a path to stronger agents.
(2016) DeepMind AlphaGo defeats Lisp et al. 4-1. Policy and value nets with reinforcement learning reveal novel strategies. 2017. Transformers replace recurrence with attention across sequences. the design becomes the backbone for modern language systems.
2018 and 2020, AlphaFold transforms protein structure prediction. Accurate models accelerate biology research worldwide.
2018, BERT popularizes bidirectional pre-training. Fine-tuning boosts accuracy in question answering, search, and many language tasks. 2020, GPT-3 demonstrates strong few-shot learning at scale. One model adapts to many tasks with minimal task-specific data.
Codex powers GitHub Copilot. Natural language prompts turn into working code, and pair programming with an AI assistant becomes real.
2021. Clip aligns images and text, while DALL-E draws from descriptions. Multimodal learning unlocks new creative workflows.
2022. ChatGPT puts conversational AI in everyday life. People brainstorm, write, and learn through a simple chat interface.
Testing speech recognition in English. Ahora cambio al español para probar la transcripción. Ab मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ. 2022 Whisper shows robust speech recognition across accents and languages. Accurate captions and transcription go mainstream.
2022 open and community models like Stable Diffusion and Midjourney spread image generation to millions and reshape design workflows. 2023, Llama and Llama 2 bring strong open baselines. Fine-tunes unlock niche assistance, and research accelerates outside big labs. Gemini series explores multimodal understanding and long context. Assistants learn to see, listen, and reason across formats in a single model.
Claude models begin every response with careful reasoning. They review context, use tools transparently, and weigh impact. Prioritizing helpfulness, honesty, and harmlessness keeps safety in the foreground of every interaction.
An efficient mixture of experts routes tokens through specialists, so computation is used only where it adds value. Mistral and Mixtral deliver compact models with strong performance, blending open weights with expert routing. These architectures make local and private deployments practical.
Mid-2000s text-to-video systems like Sora and the VO series turn prompts into scenes. Directors prototype ideas with words instead of cameras.
New entrants focus on efficiency with smart training and inference. Models like DeepSeek highlight rapid progress outside the largest budgets.
AI goes creative. Models draw from words, write code, and hold conversations. Powerful tools move from labs into everyday life at remarkable speed. From a single question to everyday tools, the story of AI is still being written. If this journey sparked an idea, tell me in the comments and share this with a friend.